You're watching Tap Tech, the place where the latest gadgets and powerful tools meet honest and simple reviews. If you love tech that makes life and creativity easier, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the DJI RS4 Mini, a lightweight stabilizer that packs big power in a small form. And trust me, this one might surprise you. When DJI announced the RS4 Mini, it instantly caught the attention of filmmakers, vloggers, and creators looking for something compact yet professional. This is the kind of gimbal that doesn't just shave off weight, it brings real usability without compromise. And if you're curious whether it's worth the upgrade or your first buy, stay tuned, because the details matter here. Starting with the specifications, the RS4 Mini weighs just around 1.4 kilograms, making it one of the lightest full-capacity stabilizers DJI has ever built. Despite its compact size, it supports payloads up to 4.5 kilograms. That means you can mount serious camera bodies with lenses attached and still get rock-solid stability. DJI also worked on improving balance calibration, reducing setup time, and adding smarter auto-tune features to make it easier to get shooting faster. The design and build quality are classic DJI: sleek, minimal, and durable. The RS4 Mini uses an all-metal frame with magnesium alloy parts, so it feels solid in your hands but never heavy. The grip is slightly redesigned compared to the previous RS models, offering better ergonomics for long shooting sessions. The buttons and dials feel responsive, and DJI kept the design intuitive so even first-time users won't feel overwhelmed. The display is small but sharp, giving you quick access to settings without needing to rely only on your phone. DJI added customizable shortcuts on the gimbal itself, which is a big win for professionals who want speed on set. When it comes to performance, the RS4 Mini really shines. The stabilization is buttery smooth even when you're running, walking on uneven ground, or shooting low angles. The motors have been upgraded to provide stronger torque, so even if you push it with heavier setups, it holds steady. Panning, tilting, and tracking movements feel fluid, and there's no noticeable jitter. Software and features are another reason this gimbal stands out. DJI's Ronin app gives you access to creative modes like Active Track Pro, Motion Lapse, Panorama, and Time-Lapse shooting. You can create cinematic shots with just a few taps, which opens creative possibilities even for solo shooters. The RS4 Mini also integrates better with cameras, giving you direct control over shutter, focus, and recording through Bluetooth or cable connections. Battery life is strong for such a compact unit. You get up to 10 hours of use on a single charge, and thanks to USB-C fast charging, you can top it up quickly between shoots. For creators who shoot long events or travel content, this is a big advantage. You won't be stuck waiting hours for a full charge. For creators focusing on gaming streams, vlogging, or even commercial work, the RS4 Mini offers the flexibility to capture smooth dynamic footage without bulky gear. It's especially great for travel content since it fits easily into a backpack while still delivering professional results. Audio isn't directly part of a gimbal, but the RS4 Mini does play nice with camera setups that include external mics or wireless audio. The stability ensures your camera stays in the right position, so your audio accessories aren't moving out of place or picking up extra noise from shaky handling. In terms of connectivity, DJI made sure this gimbal doesn't disappoint. Bluetooth and USB-C integration make it simple to pair with cameras and accessories. The quick-release mounting plate also speeds up switching between handheld and tripod setups, which is perfect if you're moving fast on a shoot. Now, about price and value. DJI has positioned the RS4 Mini as an affordable yet professional-grade stabilizer. It comes in cheaper than the full RS4 Pro, but it delivers a lot of the same features in a smaller form factor. For independent creators, wedding filmmakers, travel vloggers, and even semi-pros, the RS4 Mini strikes an excellent balance between cost and performance. As for pros and cons, the pros are clear: lightweight design, powerful payload support, excellent stabilization, creative shooting modes, and long battery life. The main cons might be that the smaller screen can feel limiting. For some users, and if you're running extremely heavy rigs with multiple accessories, you might prefer the bigger RS models. But for most creators, these downsides are minor compared to the benefits. So, final verdict. The DJI RS4 Mini is not just a smaller stabilizer. It's a serious tool for creators who want pro results without the bulk. It manages to balance portability, power, and usability in a way that makes it stand out. If you're upgrading from an older gimbal or entering the world of stabilized shooting for the first time, this is one of the smartest investments you can make. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest and most exciting tech. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to stick around, because there's a lot more coming your way.